Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Olson with WHITEBONE Creations. This is my dog, Mr. Beans. I wanted to make a real quick explanation of why I'm posting some older films right now on the beginning of the channel. Essentially for years and years, I've pushed back and tried to share the skinning and the gutting because I think that part is so important in a hunt. But it doesn't matter what I think. If there's a platform that says that's not acceptable, then I'm not allowed to share it. So I took down, I think it's 13 films, millions of views. I pulled them down. I'm removing that content and I'm putting them back up so that everyone can see them. Most of you have never seen those films, and I can tell you that just based on the amount of views that they had. If you do want to see full, complete hunts, there is an app available now, the WHITEBONE Creations app, available for iOS and Android. Go to your Google Play Store or your App Store, download it, take a look. Otherwise, I'm going to be sharing that content very, very filtered right here on YouTube. Thanks for always supporting and being there for me. Be kind to one another.